Hello everyone, my name is Tashtimil. I'm currently studying for a master's degree in the marketing. Today I'm gonna talk about Kagami and the green marketing. I choose this topic because I truly believe that green marketing is not just a trend, it's the future of how business should work. Kagome is a great explain of a company that shows how a business can grow and succeed while still caring about the people and the planet. Um, they are not only focused on profit but also on making a positive difference in the world. Kagami's green marketing practices. Kagami has already taken many strong steps toward being more environmentally friendly and sustainable. First one, they use organic farming and focus on using fresh ingredients. This means their products are healthier for people and also better for the environment. Second one, they use recyclable packaging. This helps reduce plastic waste and pollution, which is a big issue in today's world. Third one, they try to lower CO2 emissions. They do this by using eco-friendly transportation, keeping the protection processes clean and efficient. This helps fight the climate change. And finally, Kagami supports local firms. um, this not only helps the local economy, but it also means their ingredients are fresher and more reliable. So, as you can see, Kagami takes real action. They don't just talk about green marketing, they live it. For me, personally, green marketing is very important because it helps build trust between companies and their customers. People today are smarter and more aware. Um, they don't to buy just any product. They want to buy from companies that care about health, sustainability, and the environment. I think Kagami's values fit perfectly with the future marketing trends. Customers are looking for responsible brands, not just good product, but good companies. That's why I believe green marketing is not only the right thing to do, but also a very powerful tool for building customer loyalty and brand value. In the future, I want to work in marketing and promote sustainable brands just like Kagami. I believe that green marketing equals a long-term success because it's not only about profit but also about protecting our world. I hope to create marketing strategies that focus on both people and the planet, and the Kagami gives me great inspiration for that. Green marketing is not just the right thing to do, it's smart business. Thank you for attention.